Ever wondered if you could earn real money just by helping a cartoon chicken cross a busy road? That's exactly what the Chicken Road app claims to offer, an easy, fun, and exciting way to make cash with almost no effort. According to the game, you simply bet money, guide a chicken across the road, and get paid if it makes it safely to the other side. They boldly claim there's only a 1 in 25 chance the chicken gets hit, which sounds like great odds and a low-risk way to win big. The further the chicken walks, the more money you supposedly earn. At first glance, the concept seems lighthearted and even addicting. But once you start playing, things quickly become questionable. Many users have reported that while they do win a few times in the beginning, giving them the impression that the game is fair, things take a sharp turn afterward. Suddenly, your chicken starts getting hit more often, no matter how careful you are, and your chances of winning drop significantly. That's just the beginning. When you try to withdraw your money, you're hit with a surprisingly high minimum withdrawal amount, which can be hard to reach unless you keep betting more of your own money. On top of that, the app forces you to continue betting or completing tasks before you're even eligible to cash out. These tactics raise serious concerns about the game being rigged to keep players chasing losses. Some users say it feels like a trap, where early success is used to lure players into spending more before the game changes the odds. There's also the lack of reliable customer support, no proper company information, and no proof that anyone has actually received real payouts. The payout system is vague, and there's no transparency on how the game actually operates behind the scenes. So while Chicken Road might appear to be a fun and harmless way to earn some extra money, digging deeper reveals a number of red flags that suggest it's more about keeping you engaged in spending money than actually letting you win. It's not a total scam, but it's definitely not as legit or rewarding as it wants you to believe.